Thank you, Mark, and good evening, everyone. Welcome to News 2 at 5. I'm Bob Mueller.
And I'm Haley Wilgus. Cases of flu-like illnesses rising sharply in Tennessee. The CDC puts Tennessee at the top of the scale for flu activity.
Nationwide, 31 states and Washington, D.C. are reporting high or very high levels.
News 2's Corey Johnson has the details.
Across the country and in Tennessee, cases of flu, RSV, and COVID are rapidly increasing. Health officials say respiratory illnesses are peaking sooner in Tennessee than in previous years.
The CDC earlier this year predicted that we'd probably have our flu season a little earlier than usual, but it isn't a worse season necessarily than some of the other seasons we've seen. It's just happening earlier.
Breaking down the counties with the largest rate of flu reports in the volunteer state, Shelby County tops the list. Out of all the people going to places like the doctor's office or urgent care, 19.5% show flu-like symptoms, followed by Madison County at nearly 14%, Hamilton County only slightly lower at 13.2%, and in Davidson County falling in the middle at roughly 9%.
It's going to look like it typically does, which is usually a kind of a bell curve where we get slow increase, and then we get a faster increase, then we kind of hit a top, and then we start to move kind of on a plateau, and then we drop. And that usually occurs over a few months.
The latest CDC data shows during the week of December 23rd, close to 30,000 new patients nationwide went to the hospital for COVID. That's the highest since last January. And more than 14,000 went to the hospital for the flu. The government also estimates 4,500 flu-related deaths so far this season. Tragically, Cody Kapp, a father of 4, the behavior director for Robertson County Schools, and a deacon of Long Hollow Baptist Church, passed away late last week after being hospitalized with influenza. He was visiting family in Indiana when he died.
Cody was just one of those people with a huge heart. Like, I can't even begin to explain the void that his passing is going to leave in all the different areas. We're all leaving a legacy, whether we know it or not. And when I think of Cody, he didn't just make an impact. He left something that is going to live on forever.
As respiratory reports increase, CDC data also indicates less than half of adults and children have gotten a flu vaccine this season.
That, for a lot of people, would be very helpful. It's, most people, if they get any reaction to the vaccine, it's a little soreness at the muscle, maybe a little redness. They might feel a little achy for a day or two, but all of those are, mild symptoms compared to getting the actual virus.
Corey Johnson, News 2.